Now, I know you've got a lot of friends in the Disney family, this being a Disney show. What are you most excited to see with this new project?
Oh, well, I love Disney, as being different. They're filming things, they're being a little more edgy, a little more, a little more new school, a little more new age. I like it. I'm really excited to see what they do with this show.
Gosh, I'm super excited to see the basketball. I mean, I know it's all about basketball, but to see the moves, to see the cool shots and stuff like that. My friend Jalen is starring in it, and I'm so proud of him and just super excited to be here.
Everything. We got so much black excellence here. I'm excited to see, what they got. Because I know they can play, but I want to see if they can really play, you know what I'm saying? So I'm excited for all of it.
I'm definitely most excited to see my friends. I want to see all the hard work they poured into this project, and it's a show about basketball, and it's Black lead, so I'm very excited for that.
I know the cast, so I'm really just excited to support them and everything. And the show looks so good. I saw the trailer and the teasers and everything, and I'm just excited to support them.
So on Saturdays, you work a lot with roller skating, but
Yes.
on the crossover, they did a lot with basketball. Is basketball a sport that you like to play? Is this something you're a little jealous of or wanted to be part of?
Well, look, I love basketball. Am I good at basketball? Nah, I ain't that good. Kind of like with skating at first, but then I learned. But it's so cool that they put in that training, just like how we put in the training with roller skating and everything. So I'm excited to see how it came out.
Very cool.
That's like Jalen in the mirror.
I'm
All
pretty
the versions when you guys are on set. Like every single
I'm a
time.
fan.
It's like you remind me of him.
Cool.
you remind me of
Now,
him.
is doing basketball as part of a show something you're looking forward to? Have you gotten to do that on Bunk'd yet? Or
I haven't yet,
yeah,
but if the opportunity comes up, I'm going to be ready.
we'll put that in everyone's ear.
Yes.
Now, what can you tell us about what's coming up for you on Bunk'd?
What's coming up for me on Bunk'd? A lot's coming up. We're filming season 7 right now. So,
What is the best?
Bunk shenanigans, all that. A lot of stunts coming, a lot of more costumes. The regular Bunk stuff. So, be ready.
Yeah, I'm very excited for season 6 of Raven's Home. I know a lot of fans are looking forward to it. It's almost here. We've got the first trailer, I think, just dropped. What are you most excited for fans to see of this new season?
Well, in our senior year, we're kind of wrapping everything up, trying to figure out a way to not send off our characters, but just age our characters and make everyone pleased with what we do with the show towards the end of it. So
Yeah.
I'm excited to.
Well, I think a lot of people hope it never is going to end.
Me too. Obviously, me too. But
But it sounds like maybe your character might have college in the future.
who knows, man? I'm taking it 1 week at a time. Just super excited to see where we go.
I'm not going to say too much. I'm going to say stay tuned, but it's going to be so much fun. So many things that you're not going to expect, and so many really cool scenes.
Few Saturdays was about to launch. Now that it's launched, what's the response been like? Have you gotten a lot of feedback? Have you felt the fans loving the show?
I have had so much feedback, whether it's just Instagram DMs or just TikToks about it. Everyone's loving it. They're loving the Weeby Girls. I am loving their responses to loving the Weeby Girls, and I'm just so happy, blessed, thankful, and proud that it's finally out. So
Now, it
you
wasn't-
feel it.
Yeah, I definitely do. It wasn't that long ago that you guys got to have your own premiere like this. What was that like? Was that a really special moment for you?
Oh, definitely. Our premiere was amazing, and then our after party, we had like a Chicago-style cookout. Being from Chicago, it was giving the vibe of Chicago, so I was really happy about that.
It's been amazing. People loving it, they're resonating with it, and they love the family, they love the friends, and they love the skating. So it's amazing, just how we felt about the show, people really feeling about it too. So.
Yeah, I know you're here supporting a lot of friends. These events must feel a little bit like a reunion to you.
Yeah, honestly, and I mean, so many of us, we work on the same lot sometimes. Some of us, we see each other in passing, but we never get to see each other all together like this. Well, we do, but it's very rare. And so to be here, Danielle's like my little sister. I know a lot of people here. It feels nice. So
Very
to
cool.
see everyone.
I hope you enjoy.